Hello everyone, welcome back to another Beaver Lake Coding Club video, where today we are going to be looking at the wonderful world of lists. I know, it is wonderful. So, let's start with how to make a list, and this is all in Python, by the way. A list is basically, you know how you make a normal variable, like variable, hello. A list is something different. List, I'm getting mad! Lists, make sure it's not list because it can be misinterpreted for something else. It should be lists at the least, and that's how you make a list. There are many things like you can make dictionaries, which is something like that. I'm pretty sure it's that. This is how you make a list. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I'm gonna fall off my chair. Okay. Okay, so my back. Anyways, there's so many things you could do with the list. Let's start with append. There are many functions. Let's start with all the functions are the append. Unless not all, but that's my favorite one and the one that's most used. So our list is empty. Like if we print lists, we run, it's empty, as you can see. Now let's put something. Let's say this is a shopping list. Let's change this to shopping. And now shopping list dot append. Let's go lettuce. Shopping list dot append ketchup. Shopping list dot append cabbage. And yeah. Now if we print shopping list, lettuce, ketchup, cookies, milk, burger, buns, taco shells, and cabbage. Yes, that's exactly what we want, but it looks weird. It looks like that. And that looks weird, doesn't it? Who wants things looking like that? If you ask me, that's a very bad shopping list. But there are ways of making this better. This is how you make. Also, another thing you can do is instead of printing this shopping list, let's get rid of that. Let's go for I in range shopping list or len shopping list. So basically what this does is I stands for the word integer, which is not a word but a number. Then it checks if that number is in the range of the length of shopping lists. And according to this list, the length of shopping list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I mean, it's easy to do right now, but if the shopping list were to be bigger, len shopping list would be the best way to go. Now what I'm going to do is print shopping list I. Now if you're wondering what this does, what it does is it prints shopping list. I is a number that starts at 0. And also, there's not 7, but there's 6. 0, 1, 2, 3. Lists work in the same way. So I starts at 0, so it prints the 0th thing, which would be lettuce. Then, as it keeps going, I turns into 1, which would then turn into ketchup, which would then into, oh no. Please stop. Stop. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's go ahead and test this. Right then, let's go ahead and test this. Lettuce, ketchup, cookies, milk, burger buns, taco shells, cabbage. and that is like what we use most of the time. For example, if you want let's do one last thing before we end this video. Let's make names. And now for I in range. Let's go 5. This will repeat 5 times. A repeat function that happens 5 times. We're going to make an input. Name a random name Faust. Then that's gonna be name, and then names.append. You should understand if you know what we did before, you should understand what we're doing, because name is basically a string that we're inputting into the names list. Then for I in range, then what am I thinking? Names, and then we're gonna do that, and then the length of names, print names I. There. Now if you see, Bob, Joe, Fred, Ted, Joseph, Bob, Joe, Fred, Ted, and Joe. Oh, I spelled Joseph wrong. Nah, it's fine. But you get the idea. This is like really useful. Now, our next thing we're going to learn in the other video is dictionaries. And dictionaries are far more useful, but harder to understand and master. Because with dictionaries, you can make phone books and a lot of other things. Now, anyways, if you did enjoy this video, please leave a big fat thumbs up. That'd be greatly appreciated. And also, please do subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Press that notification button, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye, everybody.